Hello and welcome to the Breas tutorial series. In this video, I will show you how to use the heated circuit with the Vivo ventilator. Connect the heated circuit to the air outlet of the ventilator. Make sure the connector points upwards and slides into the port above the air outlet. A clicking sound is heard when the latches on the sides are fitted correctly. The heated circuit is now ready for use. If the heated circuit was previously not active, you will have to activate it. To do so, you have to put the ventilator in standby mode by pressing the on-off button. Now you see the different menus displayed on the bottom of the screen. The second button from the left is the setup menu and allows you to set the heating level. Press the setup button 3 times. Use the arrow down button to highlight heated circuit. Turn the heated circuit on with the right arrow button. Now the heat circuit level will show up. Push the arrow down once more and set the heating level to the appropriate setting with the left and right arrows. The heated circuit is now activated as shown by the icon you see on the top of the screen. The next time you turn the ventilator on, it will automatically start with the last settings. We hope you've enjoyed this video. For more information and other tutorial videos on how to use our Vivo bi-level ventilators, please visit our website